Hello, today we will guide you through how to make ER diagram in Lucidchart. To get started, open Lucidchart and go to the Documents area. This is the main workspace where you can access your existing files and create something new. Once you're there, click on New. This opens the options for creating a fresh diagram. From the menu, choose Blank Document. Starting with a blank document gives you a clean canvas, which is helpful when you want full control over how your entity relationship diagram is built. After the new document opens, look to the top left of the editor and click on the search field. In that search area, type Entity Relationship. This will help you quickly find the relevant diagram tools, shapes, or templates connected to ER diagrams. It's a simple way to bring the right resources into view without having to browse through multiple menus manually. If you already know you want to build a database-style diagram, this search helps streamline the setup. There is also another option available if you want to speed things up. You can use AI instead. If you prefer that approach, go to the top left and click on AI. This option is useful if you want Lucidchart to help generate a starting point for your diagram rather than building everything from scratch. After opening the AI tool, generate a sample prompt. This gives you a framework you can work from and can make it easier to describe the kind of entity relationship diagram you want. In general, the clearer your prompt is, the more useful the generated result will be. For example, describing the entities and how they relate can help produce a more relevant draft. Once the sample prompt is generated, follow the on-screen procedure to continue. Lucidchart will guide you through the remaining setup based on the option you selected. Take a moment to review what appears on the screen so you can confirm it matches the structure you need. If something doesn't look right, you can usually adjust it before moving on. That's the basic process for getting started with an ER diagram in Lucidchart. Whether you use the search option to locate entity relationship tools or choose the AI route for a faster starting point, both methods help you begin building your diagram efficiently. Follow the prompts carefully, and you'll be ready to shape your ER diagram in a way that fits your project.